asesor eléctrico, ingeniería y equipo a su servicio.
Simple factory. Simple factory is an option. USB hardware lock is required for license. Panel Studio software allows you to use only first symbol in each category of the simple factory. Panel Studio Plus software allows you to use all symbols. More than 4,000 symbols are available.
Symbol factory control can be accessed from menu bar or tools box from left side. How to change the symbol. First, select the symbol, then, click on a small triangle available near top right corner. Then, click at symbolfactory.net Properties. Now, you can select the category, then, select the symbol and click at OK. Then, new symbol will appear at screen. Alternatively, select the symbol factory control in the screen, right-click and mouse, then, click at Symbol Factory Properties. Then, you can select the category, then, select the symbol and click at OK.
How to change symbol size. Select the symbol, then it shows small rectangle pointers on all the sides. Hold any pointer with left click at mouse and drag it. This is an object. So, quality of symbol will not change from small to larger size. If you like, you can stretch symbol to fill inside the container.
How to flip symbol in design time. Select the symbol, click on Properties, then, click on Tab, Style. In the orientation, select the flip direction and click at OK.
How to rotate symbol in design time. Select the symbol, click on Properties, then, click on Tab, Style. In the rotation, select the required angle, then, click at OK.
How to change symbol color in design time. Select the symbol, click on Properties, then, click on Tab, Style. In the Fill Color mode, select Shaded. Then, select the required color.
How to set background color for symbol in design time. Select the symbol, click on Properties, then, click on Tab, Style. In the background, select Opaque. Then, select the required color.
Symbol Factory animation features. To do any animation in runtime on symbol, first it requires to link an analog type tag for symbol factory control. For example, tag 1 is analog type tag. Now, click on symbol. Then, in Property Grid, click on Tag Binding. Then, select tag 1. Now, tag 1 is linked with symbol.
Animation example. Select the symbol. Make sure it is linked with tag 1. Click on Properties, then click at Animation. Select Analog Color Fill, insert 3 bands and do the configuration and design time as shown. Less than 20, yellow color. 20 to 79, green color. Greater than 80, red color. Now, in runtime, when tag value is less than 20, symbol shows yellow color. 20 to 79, symbol shows green color. From 80 onwards, symbol shows red color.
Blinking of symbol factory control. Select the symbol. Click on Properties. Click on Animation tab. Now for Band 3, select Blink Shaded. If you want different original color instead of default gray to appear during blinking, click at Style, then, for Filled Color Mode, select Shaded. Then, you can select another color. If you want fast blinking, then, in Style, for Blink, select Blink Mode as Blink Shaded, then, select Blink Speed as Fast 400. Now, you can see symbol is blinking fast than earlier.
Symbol factory categories. Symbol factory sample screen. You can design excellent screens using simple factory controls with animation capabilities. Runtime sample screen using simple factory controls.